Number two, salmon.
Well, I love my salmon. That's like my go-to number one fish on a daily basis. I love my salmon, and I love my salmon especially when I'm making my seafood, my panadas. My panadas, those of you is familiar to like an empanada, it's like we call it around here like a fish taco. So we hash the fish, the salmon, and I usually add green and red bell pepper to it, a little bit of salt, black pepper, garlic. I season that all up, cook it. I make my panadas dough with masa, make that out, knead it out. I put my salmon stuffing in there, fry it, and we put some habanero sauce on top of that, and that's like how we make salmon panadas. I also like to make like salmon fish balls, but that's like another recipe. That's not really Garifuna, but the salmon panadas is something that I am known for, and I just absolutely love it.
So let me ask you about salmon. Is salmon also used for hudud?
I mean, it could be. All of the fish that we're going to talk about can be used for hudud. I don't typically like to, use salmon for hudud. That's not my go-to, but, again, we're going to go through all these other fishes that I'll tell you when I use it for hudud and when I don't. But salmon is not one that I use for hudud. But I do use, salmon when I make bailap. Bailap is basically ground food. When I say ground food, it's, potato, yams, and yuca, cassava. Would also, sometimes I put plantain in there. So when I'm making like my boil up with the tomato sauce and everything like that, and the onion, I usually use salmon. I like that for my bailap, but I don't. And yeah, me and salmon and hudud, that's not my cup of tea. But I'm sure other people, like salmon in their hudud, their machuca.